Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen refresh rate in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness, and here select screen refresh rate, and screen refresh rate is already selected to auto select. That means automatically your phone will adjust screen refresh rate based on the conditions. Okay, if you would like to use standard screen timeout, choose second option standard, so that a maximum screen refresh rate of 60 Hz to be used. Okay, but it consumes less power because less heads is used. Okay, maximum will be 60, but your phone display will not be smoother for if you are using standard. Okay, if you use say other option high, then automatically your phone screen will be used high refresh rate. Okay, uses a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for the optimal visual effect and a smooth experience, but this may consumes more power, and battery will not get longer. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen refresh rate. Okay, either you can set it to 60 Hz or 120 Hz. Okay, suppose if you want to set to default previous option, select auto select, so that automatically in sometimes 60 Hz will be used, sometimes 120 Hz used based on your phone conditions. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.